This song is for those who inspire us today, who always lend a helping hand to help show us the way.
This song is for those who see their students through the tough word in their lives. For that we say thank you.
You have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time.
You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of us as we are proud of you.
तू ही मेरी है सारी ज़मीन, चाहे कहीं से चलूं, तुझ में ही आके रुकूं।
इतनी खूबसूरत है फिदा दीदार पे तेरे, मुकम्मल इश्क हो मेरा, जरा सा प्यार तो दे दे। फलक कदमों पे आज के हंसी लम्हात वो दे दे, तेरे संग भीग जाऊं मैं कभी बरसात वो दे दे। तेरे बिना जी न पड़े वो पल मुझे ना दे, तू इतनी खूबसूरत है फिदा दीदार पे तेरे, तू इतनी खूबसूरत है फिदा दीदार पे।
गुरु को जब से देखा मिला मुझको सुकून, तू ही तो जन्नत मेरी, तू ही मेरा जुनून।
तू ही मेरा विधाता, तुझसे जन्मों का नाता, और कुछ ना जानूं मैं, बस इतना ही जानूं। तुझ में प्रभु दिखता है गुरुवर मैं क्या करूं, तुझ में प्रभु दिखता है गुरुवर मैं क्या करूं।
हर पल सर झुकता है गुरुवर मैं क्या करूं, तुझ में प्रभु दिखता है गुरुवर मैं क्या करूं। नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। अब बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए तो देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं।
वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं।
तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
हैप्पी टीचर्स डे मैम।
Someone asked us, "What is your inspiration? What is your motivation?" We replied,
It is not a what, but a who. She's my mentor, she's my family, and most importantly, she's my teacher. She's the embodiment of strength and power.
a leader with followers increasing every year. She might be stubborn at times, but she is the one who believes in us, no matter what the crime.
I admit, I have made many mistakes while under her coat.
And have been scolded just as many times.
But just like there is light after dark,
She always greets us the next time with an open heart.
we have seen it all.
Her $1,000,000 smile,
Her heart-wrenching pain,
her childlike mischief,
her hot and cold anger,
her gorgeous saris,
her commanding uniform.
and through it all, there's one thing we would say to her:
You are our hope,
our motivation
our inspiration.
and our strength.
Today,
tomorrow,
and forever.
We love you, ma'am, and we thank you for giving us so many opportunities to prove ourselves. Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am.
संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग। जग की कोई रीत न जाने मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी। मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग। छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना। ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना। मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना, छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना। तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना। ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना। मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना।
சும்மா கேளு. நான் தாண்டா இனிமேல் வந்து நின்னா தர்பாரு உன்னோட்ட கேங்கு நான் தாண்டா லீடு எல்லாம் என் வரலாறு பார்த்தவன் நாம் பல பேரு உன்னோட்ட பேட்டைக்கு நான் தாண்டா லாடு ரகட விட்டாக்கா ராக்கு நக்குற எல்லாமே சிடுக்கா வந்தாக்கா சீக்கு நக்குறங்க நிறுத்த பார்த்தாக்கா நிறுத்தி நக்குறும் தொடாது அடிச்சா எல்லாம டண்டா நக்குறங்க நெருப்பு பேரோடு நீ கொடுத்த ஸ்டாரோடு இன்னைக்கும் ராஜா நான் கேட்டு பாரு கருப்புள் தோளோடு சிங்கம் வரும் சீரோடு இடமே பத்திக்கும் அந்த மாதிரி சும்மா
एक खूबसूरत लड़की थी, एक खूबसूरत लड़की थी। उसको देख के राइफलमैन, उसको देख के राइफलमैन चिंदी खींचना भूल गया, चिंदी खींचना भूल गया। हलदर मेजर देख लिया, हलदर मेजर देख लिया। उसको पिट्टू लगाया, उसको पिट्टू लगाया। बल्लूराम एक सिपाही था, बल्लूराम एक सिपाही था। जापान वार में मर गया, जापान वार में मर गया। वाटर मास्टर स्मार्ट था, वाटर मास्टर स्मार्ट था। उसने राशन निकाला, उसने राशन निकाला। बल्लूराम का बदन जमीन का नीचे है, बल्लूराम का बदन जमीन का नीचे है। बल्लूराम का बदन जमीन का नीचे है, तो हमें उसका राशन मिलता है। शाबाश हालेलुया, शाबाश हालेलुया।
Jai Hind, ma'am. This is the first thing comes out of our mouth when we see you or address you. And trust me, it's not on purpose. It's just a reflex. It's actually the respect we have for you. You're not just an amazing teacher, but a beautiful person with a kind soul. Despite being in pain, you never fail to make us smile. Talking about me, you've made me what I am today. I never thought a person like me would be able to stand in front of a crowd and address them or lead a company. You build that confidence in me. I'm also very grateful for you, Kane. I can never forget that. I'm grateful for everything, and I will keep my promise that I made you. You will see me in the sky blue with wings embedded on it in the few years down the line. I have saluted you as a cadet, and I would never miss the opportunity to salute you as an officer. I wish you all the happiness, health, and wealth in the world. We love you, ma'am.
I don't know whether I have the capacity to describe about you, but would like to let you know that your time, patience, and hard work are really much appreciated.
Jai Hind, Mom. Firstly, I would like to start with saying that I feel really sad and bad because we are not able to celebrate Teachers' Day there in the college with you, and we have to celebrate through this phone. We miss you, Mom. Keeping that aside, I like to say that, Mom, I'm really blessed and lucky to have you as my ANO, and I really thank Cosmos that I am under your supervision. I'm really blessed, Mom. Thank you so much, Mom. Jane, Mom.
The day I was selected as an NCC cadet, there was a mixture of feelings, excitement, nervousness, and a proud feeling to be a part of NCC family. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. You motivate us to inspire others.
Thank you for always being there and being so supportive towards each and every cadet. You have always been my motivation and inspiration, ma'am. You have taught me the real meaning of life, how one should face the challenge and believe in oneself. You have taught me how to be disciplined and how to take responsibilities in a right way. Thank you, ma'am, for always treating me as your child and guiding me in a right way. I feel privileged to get trained under your guidance, and I'm very much thankful to the God that I get into the JNC and I got an AN like you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for helping us bloom and grow strong.
Jai Hind, ma'am. Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am. Thank you for everything, ma'am. But I know thank you is not enough to express our gratitude towards you, ma'am. From the very first day till today, you have always inspired us, motivated us, and thank you for that, ma'am. We will always carry the part of you who taught us to never give up, ma'am. And I will always carry the pride of being a student, cadet, who was trained under you, ma'am. I am very lucky to have a ANO like you. Thank you for everything, ma'am. Once again, happy Teachers Day, ma'am. We miss you a lot, ma'am.
ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದ್ನ್ಯಾಗ ಮಾದಲಿಗಿಂತ ಸಿಹಿ ಅದ ಸ್ವೀಟ್, ಆದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ನ್ಯಾಗ ಕಡಕ್ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಕಾರತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕಡಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್. ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ ಗೌರವ ಕೊಡೋಷ್ಟ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾತು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಒಟ್ಟ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯಾಗ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೌರವದ ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್.
Really glad to have you as my teacher, ma'am. You really bring out the good in me. Thank you, ma'am.
The way you make us learn anything is just amazing. We're so privileged to have a teacher like you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for everything. And once again, wish you a very happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to join Jyoti Niwas NCC family. It is indeed a very big and beautiful family with lot of support for each other.
You're a person who touched my life with your magical and mystical glow. Made mistakes a lot of times. Failed to live up to the expectations. But that smile on your face when you spoke to me never went off. You never stopped believing in me. Thank you for everything, ma'am.
You're one of those people that I look up to. There are a lot of things I want to tell you and thank you for over this year. And now I can do it. You're one person who called me and told me that I am mature enough to take the lead.
Jai Hind, ma'am. Thank you for being one of the most supportive, caring, and loving teachers of all time. You are a hero and a blessing to each and every one of us, and we all love you, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day.
To my guru, guide, and inspiration. Good teachers are hard to find, and we are very lucky, proud, and blessed to have a teacher like you. Thank you for helping us in every way. Sending all my thanks and love to you on this Teachers Day. Thank you once again for everything.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your love, care, and support. And we all love you. We miss you, ma'am.
You are a true role model and inspiration, ma'am.
Wishing you a very happy Teachers Day, ma'am. You are our inspiration and a figure we look up to. Thank you for always supporting us and helping us. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.